Whether you're dealing with a persistently mouldy ceiling or if your ceiling just needs a refresh, this guide will show you how to prepare the ceiling, apply the paint, and end up with a durable painted ceiling that resists mould. Let's get started. Before you start painting, it's essential to address the root cause of the mould. Begin by inspecting your roof for any leaks that might be allowing moisture into the plasterboard ceiling. Even a small leak can lead to recurring mould issues. If you're unsure or can't find the source, it's wise to seek professional assistance. Once you've resolved any leaks, you're ready to move on. Next, you'll need to clean the ceiling thoroughly to remove any existing mould and mildew. Mould action is a pre-paint treatment that effectively kills mould and mildew, eliminating harmful bacteria and preparing the surface for painting. Apply mould action from a spray bottle over the entire ceiling, including areas where mould might not be visible. Let it penetrate for 24 hours, then rinse the ceiling with fresh water and wipe away any dead mould with a microfiber cloth. Remember to cover any furnishings in the room to avoid potential staining. When selecting paint for a mould-prone ceiling, opt for a higher sheen level than traditional matte ceiling paint. Matte paint may hide imperfections but is more porous, making it easier for mould to embed. A semi-gloss paint is a better choice as it creates a smoother surface, less porous and easier to clean. This makes it more difficult for mould to take hold and easier to wipe away if it does. To further protect your ceiling, mix a mould and mildew inhibitor like Mould Defender into your semi-gloss paint. This additive prevents unsightly mould growth and forms a durable film that doesn't alter the paint's appearance. Stir the paint thoroughly and add the Mould Defender according to the instructions. Now it's time to apply your mould-resistant paint. Start by cutting in around the edges of the ceiling with a brush, focusing on areas near the cornices. Then, use a roller with a pole extension to cover the rest of the ceiling. Roll in long, even strokes, maintaining a wet edge to avoid lap marks. Paint in sections, using a medium to long nap roller for textured ceilings or a shorter nap for smooth ones. Apply at least 2 coats, allowing proper drying times between each coat. And there you have it, a clean, durable finish that helps prevent future mould growth.